Hi, friends. In today's episode, we are going to talk about there is and there isn't in Bisaya. So, in Bisaya, if you want to say there is, we say naa, naa. Again, there is, or the presence of something, we say naa, naa. And the opposite of that, there isn't, we say wala, wala. So let's practice that. I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're going to tell me if you have it by saying naa. You don't have it, you say wala. Okay, let's get started. Naa kay iro? Do you have a dog? If you have one, you say naa, naa. If you don't have it, you say wala, wala. Naa kay iring? Naa kay tanom? Tanom is plant. Naa kay tanom? Naa kay igsuon? Again, the question is, naa kay igsuon? Naa kay anak? And lastly, naa kay plano moadtog Pilipinas? And that's it for today. Hope you learned something new. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!